What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Unbound. In the last episode, we got our starter, Ultron, and we basically restarted the game because my save file got deleted, and we have pretty good stats now. And we got Cube, we got our butt handed by our rival. And in today's episode, yeah, we have the auto run option. Also, I turned the game option to ludicrous mode. So basically, also one thing, I'm gonna press R and there is party, which is pretty neat. And yeah, XP share on fast message type icons. I forgot to get back the thing we got in the last episode. Yeah, basically, you know what, you have this, there is speed option 4 times, and we got the psychic gem. Yeah, we can basically get missions, and oh nice, there are wild we got flinch. Yeah, we got oranberry. Wow, why? So uh, we lost. Okay guys, so I basically got my ass kicked, and this thing also going to have, what is that, astonish, which, what the yuff. Oh, there is rock climb. You know what, I'm gonna dare it. We KO'd it. Guys, our Ultron got to level 12 and my brother is basically crying. And let's go. You yupping suck. Metal Bash. Yeah. 71 experience. Why are there so many encounters? We KO'd it. Bellintown Ice Skull Craves. We are at Bellintown, guys. And we are at Bellintown. So let's heal up at the Pokemon Center. I'm gonna see you guys when I figure out where is the Pokemon Center, and there it is. Nice. And so okay guys, and yeah, so it has been, I think, 3 days since I recorded this game. It has been 3 days since I played this game, and yeah, okay, so it has been 3 days. I'm playing red color randomizer and I reset to normal mode, and I play. So I am watching Death Note. I'm currently at episode 11. I just completed it, and it's so cool. And we just learned about Misa. She has the eyes, but Kira is, I mean, Light Yagami is good without the eyes. He's a great, intelligent, marvelous guy. But Rape Ember and his wife doesn't deserve to die. But what can we do? He is the protagonist after all. I think Death Note doesn't have a proper protagonist. I don't know. Yeah, but Death Note may has a protagonist. Maybe Yagami, but I don't think so. He's not the protagonist. I don't think he's the protagonist. It's the statue of legendary Astro Pokemon Articon. It says that here that Articon was once used to head to a great darkness, but now it is near frozen heights. I like the way that light is approaching, but he's killing of innocent people, I mean, he's killing off the people who gets in his way. But I heard a special package arrived today. I want to buy it from you. I'm sorry, sir. I can't do that. The package belongs to someone already. Maybe you misheard me. Give me that package. I won't ask again. I really can't, sir. As a faithful employee of Pokemart, it goes against what I stand for to give you that package. I see. Well then. Sneasel, grab that package. Good work, Sneasel. I'm sorry about this. Take this for your trouble. Money? Get out of the way. What? You came to get the package too? Well, unless you are willing to fight for it, get out of the way. Uh, did I mess it up? You're here for Professor Luck's package. Sorry, it hasn't come yet. Could you come back later? What should we do now? I upped up, I think. So, who likes Kira or Yagami? Light. And Laliet is, I mean Ryuga, I think it's his name is Laliet in the, what is that, manga. Who thinks Laliet is good? Is Laliet your favorite character? Mine is it's Agami, Light Agami, not Chief Agami. It's Agami. I don't know why you guys are even bothering. Did you receive the package from the Pokemon? Yes, I did, sir. Very discreet. I'm intending so. I was, sir. I tried not to cause too much of a commotion. I even paid for the package as instructed. Good work. The last thing we need right now is the police on our tails. We're too close to the end game. Be stopped now. Report to Zeph and inform him of my current status. Yes, sir. Tinkira is good. And Misa. I must be Electro. Professor Luck found a Balloon just over that way. If you want to set out on a journey through high school, prove you're ready by delivering Professor Luck's package to him. But how? I should have hit him. Of me. Snorlax, I'm gonna catch it if I don't care. Sorry, Snorlax, you don't have your chance. You know what? I don't have Pokeballs here. And Metal Bash. Bye bye. Oh. How can you be unwanted criminal and a police? Laughs and Giovanni. Ultron, Metal Bash, we outspeed that thing. Okay. I am trying to build an bulky Ultron, but I don't know how good it will be because I'm not good at Nuzlocke, I'm not good at competitive. I know about TVs and stuff, but I'm not good at them. I'm not good at competitive. Cake. No, you need to recover the package. But whatever. One with the wind, one with the snow. How blazing. Oh, old frozen. Hide my car. Articuno. Sankan film butter. Come to me. Shadow Warriors, restrain it. Now, Articuno, it's time for you to become mine. The mission has completed. Let's report back to Zeph. You again. What are you doing here? Grunts, one of you get rid of him. Don't expect any mercy from the shadows. Female shadow. 13. Bye. Oh, we lost. I am playing on insane difficulty. I have this, dude. It really sucks. So, does it took me like 4 tries? Yeah, maybe. It doesn't matter. I bought enough time for everyone to escape, but nice try, kid. Take this prize as a consolation prize. We've taken that what we needed from it. Parcel. What did you get? I don't understand. Electro, you returned with my package. Huh? It's simple a shipment from my friend Oak in the Kanto region. Let's see here. Pokeballs, Pokedex, and where are the Master Balls? Did you open this package and take anything from it, Electro? Of course, yes. You did? Didn't your mother even teach you not to open someone else's mails? Hi, Ichi, you record my package from some socks, and they must have taken the Master Balls. What? You saw them use one to capture Articuno. If I am correct, we would be in grave danger. I have one more errand for you, Electro. An old friend of mine lives in Drascota. He has a vast knowledge of Borean history. I need you to tell him everything that has transpired thus far. I have a theory about what is going on, but I need him to confirm it. You shall your own Pokemon now, so this should be too difficult. You get to Dresscotown by going to Ice Skull Cave. Oh, silly me. How can I expect you to find Ice Skull Cave if you don't know the way? The stone man should aid you. And you know what? If you are going to Dresscotown, you should assist with Anchor. My friend Oak requested that I give his Pokédex to trainers. It's some sort of high-tech and satellite player for recording Pokemon data. And apparently, Boreas is known for having plenty of Pokemon. Kanto does not. To start, you should aim to see every Pokemon in the Boreas Pokédex, or as that is commonly known, the West Boreas Pokédex. Pokemon that appear only in East Boreas. Okay, once you completed the task, aim to capture every Pokemon in existence. Ho ho! Personally, don't mind you record that simply by seeing Pokemon, including the best stats of each species. The most important thing about Pokemon, you need to catch them! 5 Pokeballs! If you don't know how to capture wild Pokemon, an old friend of mine, Rootman, can you show you. Additionally, my younger sister, Natasha Log, lives in Blizzard City. If you ever meet her, she can upgrade your Pokedex and make it easier for you to encounter Pokemon you are looking for. Oh, my memory seems to be going. I have one more thing to give you, please. The next time you should give him Pokedex is rather okay. Save. Yes. So let's look at that Pokedex then. Sorry, I mean the town map. Ooh, this is literally Kanto with some adjustments. Okay. Blizz. Are you kidding me? Pokedex. Scarpa Inke National. Ooh. Well done, Gibble, Scorpio. Oh, okay. Yeah. This and that's the video for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, if you like this video, share this video, like the video, comment down below. Also, I will mention this in our next video, and subscribe our channel. It will really help me. And until then, stay safe, stay home. Peace.